Hello guys, this is Mr. Miles here, and today I'm gonna be showing you, and we are going to be analyzing gbpnzd. What is really going to happen this month, and what do we expect really? Okay, so let's begin. Okay, hope everyone is cool, and if you haven't joined my forex group setup, it's a free group. You can join there because I always put there any awareness, so you don't miss any of my, maybe I can put there some analysis, but I don't give them my entry trades. Okay, so I can just predict for you that this is what is going to happen, but your entries, you'll look for them. So let me tell you something here. This is gbpnzd. I always love gbp pairs because they move so fast and are really moved by the dealer, and that is what I love so much. So in my analysis, I always analyze something from the top to the bottom. Okay, I always start from the monthly, and if I don't see anything in monthly, then I go to my weekly chart. Okay, so this time I started analyzing my market from the weekly chart. Okay, let me try to zoom this stuff. And there is something that I love so much. If someone knows about what I call them significant round numbers, it is very cool, and I know how. If you don't know how to use them, you can just text me. I'll leave my WhatsApp number just below the video. So at first is I first mark my numbers. Okay, those are my significant prices that I don't expect price to go through. In fact, they're like 98% accurate. Okay, so let me first draw them. I have to first mark those points. Cool. That is my first point that I'm marking, that I don't expect price to exit 1.9880. Okay, I don't expect price to exit that point. I know very well gbpnzd is gonna be a long sell. Okay, I don't expect price to exit that point. So let me go to my daily. In daily time frame, price, okay, oh, look at what really happened here. In daily time frame, price yesterday and today, this week, from Monday, price respected this point, and to be honest, I don't expect even this candle to close above. This was just a stop point, and I'm gonna show you what really happened in gbpnzd. I told people to sell gbpnzd, but there was a strong stop point. Like, I told people to sell gbpnzd to London session, but price did not move until New York session. Look at this respect to this price of 1.9880. okay, that was our significant price, and price, look at what this candle did. It really respected that point by forming that wick, which was so nice. So this week price has just been respecting this point. It just takes a stop hand, but the candle cannot close above this, and I don't expect any candle to close above this price. Okay, let's go to H4, guys. This is what is happening in H4. Oh, it was wonderful. But before H4, let's first go to H1, because there was something so open and nice. If you really watched my videos and you understood very well my videos, this was a cool day for you. Okay, let me first begin by what really happened today. Today, it was, let's say, okay, we had, the first thing is that we had an M structure. Yes, we had it. Yes, but there's something came up. So I want you to understand, and I'm going to show you what really happened here. This was today. Okay, you get that? We had our M here, we had our higher high here, and that was our top higher high. Price came back here, forming a low at that point. Okay, let's say this our lower low. Okay, and price also forms a lower low. Yeah, cool. You drew your order blocks very well. Even I told guys, yes, this was an open trade. But guess what happened? News was in the market. Okay, this was our order block. Yes, a very nice order block, and price respected this order block and came back. But when they released the news, price had to go up. Okay, but when price moved up, it is forming a stop hand in H4. Okay, let's go to H4. This is a stop hand. Okay, it is at our resistance point that price cannot close above this point. Okay, this is a stop hand which is being formed here. I don't know if you're understanding me, but you have to understand me, because this was very clear, and we expect a long sell on gbpnzd next month and this month. gbpnzd is going to be a long sell, because for you to understand where price is really going to go, you have to check on high time frames, and you have to know the flow of the river. Okay, downtrend or uptrend. You guys can get that. So this is what I'm saying. I'm expecting gbpnzd to be a long sell. Okay, to me this is just a stop hand, and it is very clear on H4 though it hasn't closed yet. Okay, I signed this trade, but the problem is we got stopped out. I got stopped out in gbpnzd, but I've got again the stop hand on it. I always use my phone for trading. So where do we expect? This is where we expect price to reach. Price has to reach this point, then after price selling up to this point, we shall think of otherwise. So this is what we expect: price reaching this point, or price reaching this significant number. Okay, so we expect price to either reach 1.9621 or 1.95800 this month. Okay, so that is our price. That is where we expect. So, and what do we expect? We don't expect price to close above this point here. We don't expect even price to reach that point, to be honest. So all this, look at your stop loss and your take profit. So this is my prediction for gbpnzd, and to really work for someone, what you just do is look for cool entries on gbpnzd, and after looking for those cool entries, you will get them, because I got kicked out in this trade, guys. This was today's trade. I had a Euro GBP, it was a buy. I always trade for FTMO, guys, and at GBP it was a nice sell, and I always check my trade. Okay, like I always give my trades during London and New York session. GBP and ZD sell, buy Euro GBP and sell GBP USD. My stop loss are always minimum. If you feel like joining my group and trade with me and always attend my Zoom, you can just chat me up after. Just check below this video, you will check my WhatsApp number, and you can also, if you're not in my free group forex setups, you can just check the video, you can just check the link and click on it. And also, if you're struggling with a broker, guys, look for a cool broker that can work for you. Okay, just check below the video and click on the link and open your account with a broker. Okay, the amount of trade, the amount of money you're trading with doesn't matter, but what matters is the skill and the patience you have in the market. If you're patient enough to hold a trade, if you're patient enough, I always tell guys, we always have one thing, okay? It's better for a trade to hit your stop loss than closing your premature profits. It doesn't make any sense, okay? When you put your trade, leave your PC there and go out and have some fun, guys, okay? That is it. But if you're always staring at your charts, you'll always be tempted. Open your trades, analyze your markets, put your trades, put your stop loss, put your take profits, and just move out. So for now, right guys, I wish you all the best. Let's check on gbpnzd what is really going to happen this month. So to me, I will only be looking for cool sell entries on gbpnzd. If you need more help, you can just check this video and you'll see my WhatsApp number and you can text me. Feel free to do that. Have a nice time for today.